What kind of sales do you think are still happening at the Home Depot after the July 4th sales and Ryobi days? Let's go check them out together.
All right, right here in the front aisle, we've got some bags. It looks like gardening bags, paper lawn bags. We've got some 15 amp, 125 volt, 12 gauge, 50 foot, indoor, outdoor extension cords. $39.97. Yep. We've got the HDX water filter. That's a Home Depot brand. $15.98. Some water.
If you're already in or are considering going to the Ryobi One Plus high performance system, then this is the sale for you. For $199, you get a 2.0, 4.0, and 6.0 amp hour battery, a charger, and your choice of free tool.
So $9.97, $14.97 for the different types of bits here. Let's check out Milwaukee here. We've got some stuff on sale. 99 bucks. Oh, this is what I like to see. I love to see these yellow stickers here.
For 99 bucks, this is an amazing deal. This is the M18 Milwaukee part number 2625-20, selling at Home Depot right now for $129. So right now you're saving $29.
We got the 18 volt, $219 M18 fuel, 3/8 impact. Very nice. I'm not in the 18 volt battery line with Milwaukee, so for those of you that are, that doesn't seem like a bad price there. $199, M18 fuel. Now these are Home Depot exclusives. I'm guessing that's why they're saying exclusive there. 18 volt, 4.5 to 5-inch grinder with paddle blade. And here you go, the blades, $19.97. Right there, we've got some drill bits.
All right, guys, looks like I glanced over that shelf to the right of me. It had a pack of two 1.5 amp hour batteries for $69, an M12 volt lithium-ion charger and portable power source for $49, and the Shockwave Impact titanium drill bit set, 15 pieces for $27.97.
All right, I like Makita, guys. Now, my buddy Tools and Souls started talking about how you're noticing that the real estate for Makita and other brands seems to be shrinking. Well, this aisle got a little bigger in my local Home Depot. This was getting kind of small, and all of a sudden, look, they've got a lot more Makita stuff here. They've got the saws. These are great saws. These are selling like crazy. I know that's why they got them here. That is the 36 volt LXT brushless saw. I'm not crazy about the 36 volt setup for the reasons that one battery can go bad, and you know they don't equally go down at the same time, but it's okay. I mean, it works great. People have said that there's a lot of good stuff about it, so you know you may like it. You got the Makita brushless. Is this 18 volt? Oh yeah, this is the sub impact. Look at this guy. I want one of these so bad. I want one. That's really cool. Very nice. No insane sales here. I mean, oh wait, hold on. Back here, what is that? That's the 18 volt sub impact tool only for $119. You see it hiding back there? These guys are hiding it back there. That's the WXT12ZB. You have a few of these for $119. There was $179. They're hiding it back there. What do you guys think? Should I come and get this?
As many of you may know, I am deep in the M12 fuel line, but notice that there's no yellow or orange tags here, no real sales going on, so I found you one online. This is the Milwaukee M12 cordless 2-speed screwdriver, which delivers 275 inch-pounds of torque, and at 400 RPM to 1500 RPM in its second speed is amazing for $129.
For the bit set, where's the bit set? They're advertising it there, but $19.99 for the countersink bit set. I don't know about you guys, but I use this a lot. That is one of my favorite bits. You've got the Shockwave Impact Duty right angle. Where is it? Right here. I love this thing. If you haven't purchased this thing, run, get it. You'll love it. Milwaukee's got vests, guys. Get yourself a Milwaukee high visibility safety vest. That way you're all right. Then you've got the Milwaukee gloves down there. $14.97 for all those things. That's $14.97 for your choice of safety glasses, gloves, or a safety vest. Not a bad price. Now, Milwaukee's gotten into some markers. Here you go. You've got $197 for a 2-pack of SAWZALL fine point blade, black, I'm sorry, fine point black job site markers. Very nice. $348 for different colors. $497 for the bigger ones. And yeah, that's pretty good deal. I mean, are they more expensive than Sharpie? Put it in the comments, guys. Do you guys think they're more expensive than Sharpie?
For those of you with a sharp eye, you notice that next to me was a shelf that said $14.97 per item. Your choice of the Milwaukee 48226109 wire strippers or the Milwaukee 48223079 6-in-1 combination pliers, or the Milwaukee 48220417 16-foot compact tape measure. And if you have an even keener eye, you saw the M18 18-volt lithium-ion cordless grease gun, 2-speed, tool only, for $229 on yellow tag. But I didn't bring it up. I didn't think that was that great of a deal. But if you saw it, I'm mentioning it.
Wow, 8-piece shockwave. All right, I'm into this. $39.97, 8-piece shockwave. You've got the impact set right there. I'm looking for that. Check it out. You still got the 4th of July sales going on right now. Buy this kit $399. Buy this kit for $249, or this one for $119. You've got the fan there. Oh boy, my buddy Tools with Souls gonna be talking about, oh, rigid is the best. There's $399, brushless, 18-volt. There's a whole kit right there. You know, I would really like to compare this to Cobalt for $399 and wonder what you're getting and what's the difference. But I really think this kit is really cool. 18-volt 2-tool combo kit right there for $119. And those look really small. I'll bet you they're really easy to work with. And check it out. We've got the Milwaukee Garden Stuff M18 fuel. You've got the $169 M18 fuel 18-volt blower, tool only. Wow, 200 plus tools in one system. Now, they're taking a page off Makita by doing that, right? The LXT battery had so many tools that went on it, and now we see Milwaukee doing that, which is actually really great to see. I'm excited. This is why I had not jumped into the M18 volt line, because they didn't have some of the things that I wanted for future expansion, like the gardening tools. This $329 M18 fuel 18-volt blower kit, and then you've got the M18 fuel quick lock string trimmer right there. Very nice. We've got Ryobi again. Ryobi's fine, guys. I was excited to see this link system pop out. I think it's a good deal for those that are trying to save money. But I'll be honest with you, I really would tell you to invest in the rigid similar system that they have with their toolboxes, right? I think it's a better value for what you get. And there it is right there. Build your own kit. Just like that, compatible with rigid small part organizers. I think that's a better value. You guys tell me. We are looking, oh man, it's beat up to high heaven. I need that. Oh, there's one underneath. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, so I found what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this right here, 250-pound capacity, quick stop loading level, smooth rolling wheels, rolling cart from Milwaukee pack out system. And I already have one or two of these, but I need it for the way I'm gonna do my mechanics tool set setup, which I will do a video on how I'm doing that. And I need a doorknob. But look at all the electric stuff that they got here. Milwaukee, Makita. Does anybody buy electric stuff still? Put it in the comments. I want to know, guys. Look at this. Look at this corded electric. Now, what I'm calling electric, I'm saying corded, right? So look at this. This thing looks amazing. You guys are going to tell me that Makita is not that great and they have a saw like this? That is a great saw. I don't see the I don't see the Milwaukee equivalent though. I don't see that. Now that's not to say that Milwaukee doesn't have one. It's just not here. So tell me in the comments. All right, guys, this is Ed the Old Tech Guy telling you I love you, and I'm signing off. And watch my video that's coming up with this guy.